Yo, yes, people, what is going on? It is ATT here again. I'm here for my second trade recap. It is the 15th of October 2025. So let's just get straight into it. We had market open here. We had 4 hour buy side above. We had London low, Asia low below. Bias was kind of neutral again today. I was just going to let price kind of play out and see what it wanted to give us. I was aware that ES has already took this 4 hour high. So there was kind of a 4 hour bearish SMT in place. Price could have gone either way, really. So I just let market open and saw what happened. So you can see here, market did open bearish. Now we had a couple of levels of sell side. You can see here, this was our first entry. So market open bearish, swing low created, swing high, manipulation leg, resweeping sell side. If you come over here, you can see that we did actually take out this low as well. Sorry, I should have marked this out before I started the recap. So we have this level of sell side here, which was then swept by price. So here I was already looking for longs. So I did buy here. Now if we play another candle and another candle. So right, so this is where the trade lost. So as this candle pumped up here, ES smashed all of this buy side. So instantly I went break even, knowing that there was a huge bearish SMT and there was no bullish SMT below price in place for me to ignore this bearish SMT. So I went early break even, got stopped out break even there. Let's carry on watching. Price then resweep sell side, so I was fully correct to go break even. That did save us, well, save me. Price then comes back up. This was an invalid entry, so I wasn't looking at this one. You can see the 1 minute candle closes. Well, swept up the swing high before the candle closed, so I did not look at that inversion whatsoever. I just ignored it. Price then sweeps sell side again. Now here is where there was finally a good bullish SMT put in. ES did not sweep out these lows and NQ did. So here we had a bullish SMT and I knew from this 1 minute FVG, if we could get a nice close above, then I would be targeting these equal highs for a very nice trade. This is kind of what I wanted. I'd be able to stop here for 1% off a mini. Nice 67 point target to equal highs would have been such a nice trade. So this is what I initially wanted. If we carry on playing, you can see that we don't quite get the candle close above the gap here, so I couldn't enter the trade. And then the second candle was so bullish that now the stop loss of the trade is nearly 50 points. And it's actually negative risk to reward to the equal highs. So I ended up sitting out of this position. Now, in hindsight, because ES did sweep out, so if I put the SMT here instead, because this is how I should have had my SMT in lifetime, and if I did, I may have took this trade knowing that ES has already taken these short-term equal highs. So this is no longer a valid target because this is short-term SMT in this area. Now, this 4 hour high SMT was pre-market. So if this was recent or we just swept this 4 hour high on ES and then NQ didn't get there, I would have respected it much more. However, I was still bullish up to this 4 hour high, but because I wanted to just scale my trade at the equal highs, I saw that this was negative RR and I didn't end up getting into the trade. Whereas in hindsight, maybe I could have just used micros and still took a nice 1.5R here. But either way, this was the second entry. I called on stream if we retraced, I would get in. But I'll play a couple more candles. You can see price did not retrace. This is where I would have gone break even. So yeah, risk free there. Trade obviously ran break even before we came back to give me the retrace, so I didn't end up taking this trade, even though I did call all the price action and stuff, called the draws and all that. But yeah, I just didn't get into this one. And yeah, price ran nicely into 4 hour buy side liquidity. Just didn't give us the momentum. Sorry, didn't give us the entry we wanted because the momentum was so strong. It just absolutely shagged me. But yeah, I like stopping below this bullish fair value gap. Hopefully this would, if we did retrace, that would get respected and push us up. Just I liked everything about this trade, aside from the risk to reward. So yeah, that is why I sat out. I wasn't targeting that in lifetime. I was targeting this, and that would have been a negative R trade for me, which is why I did not take it. But yeah, still a really good day. Otherwise, avoiding going break even early here and saving ourselves some money, avoiding this loss, and then I did call the winning trade. So yeah, pretty good day. Shame we didn't make any money. Well, shame I didn't make any money. But yeah, that is how I made $0 today trading the Nasdaq. Still followed all of my plans. Still really happy with the day. So yeah, On to tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found that useful. If you are enjoying these recaps, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss one in the future. All my social media links are going to be in the description, so make sure you get on all those as well. Yeah, not much else to say, guys. Peace out. I'll see you soon.